welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Jordyn video. So for today's video, I am back with another advent calendar. I have this one and it's Orb Mocheez. And I got this one because first of all, I love the Mocheez, and I'm doing another video on advent calendars because the first one I just had so much fun and you guys seemed to like it. So I thought if you enjoyed it and I enjoyed it, it's a win-win to do another one. But look how cute this packaging is. And it says right here, it says Orb Mocheez, 12 wiggly, jiggly days of fun. That's a pun. Didn't mean to rhyme. Oh, I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. So this packaging, the days are kind of all over the place. We have one up here and then we have two all the way down here. So it's kind of just like all over the place. But I really hope I get, when you get to the 12th day, you have a little pig on it. And I hope I get the pig somewhere in here. Because look how cute it is. It has little belly rolls. I picked this up at Justice and it was $20. So we're starting off with number one. This one has a cute little koala in it. Let's see what it has in store. And it is, oh, it's a cute koala. So we have this koala and it's really cute. It's egg shaped, which I really love about it. And the nose is probably my favorite part. It looks so big. Kind of looks like Squidward's nose. So the koala came behind the koala little box. So I wonder if they're all going to be like the same exact one that's on the package. Moving on to number two. Down there. Wait, making sure that's number two. Let me see what it is. Ooh! Oh my god, this one's a dragon. Look how cool it is. So it's a neon green kind of dragon or like a yellowish green. I really like the scale detailing on it. It feels really cool and it broke our theory because this one had like a bear on front and we got a dragon for it. So we have an egg koala and an egg dragon. So our third one is a star. And inside it holds, oh my god, this was a shocker. Inside the third box was a cupcake, and it's a blue cupcake, and it's really, really squishy and really sticky. And I just want to put it, it's a chef now. So then we have the fourth one, and the fourth one looks really cute. It's like a sheep. I kind of hope I get the sheep in this one. And what is it? What is it? These triangles really stress me out. I cannot get it. Oh my, this is adorable. This is the cutest thing ever. It's a little squishy phone for them. Oh my god. Ring ring, who's this? This is so adorable. So far we have a koala, a dragon, and two little mini items, a cupcake, and a phone. Number 5, there's a Christmas tree. So I don't even know what to expect. And we got the pig! We got the chubby little wrinkly pig. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. Look at the rolls, look at the belly, look at the back. It's so cute, and it's so chubby, and this is probably, it's my favorite one now. It's my favorite one. I'm sorry, these are my favorite. The only problem I kind of have is that on the packaging, they have like antlers and Christmas like hats and stuff on them, but in real life, they don't have anything. But I don't really have like a problem, but I just think it would have been really cute because it's Christmas themed. Also, the numbers being kind of all over the place is confusing, and it's kind of like a scavenger hunt. Ooh, it's mistletoe. So number 6, pop it open. It's a camera! Now they can film YouTube videos with me. Ooh, twinsies. Sup, This is super cute. It's not as squishy as the other 2 mini items we got, but it's still really cute, and I like the detail even on the back. Number 7, this one has a reindeer on it, so maybe we'll get a reindeer, but I don't know. What do we get? What do we get? What's inside? OMG! Look how cute this bear is. It's so cute. It kind of looks like that one bear from We Bare Bears. I forgot his name. I used to love that show. But it's so adorable. My favorite thing about these is how they're all shaped like eggs. Perfect for eggnog, am I right? Number 8, we have a bunny with a candy cane on it. So let's pop it open and see if we get a bunny. No, but we got another bear. But this one is a blue bear. I bet it plays some blues in its meantime. Makes sense, because it's blue. So they're brother and sister. One's blue and one's brown. Number 9, we have... Oh, this one is so cute. Look, it's a little purple elephant, and it's super cute. I really like the trunk on it. The trunk is adorable, and it kind of reminds me of Dumbo. So far, we got in a lot of these, but I'm thinking that this bear one was kind of like more surprise because all of these so far have been somewhere on the packaging. Like, there's somewhere on the packaging. And this is the only one that is not on the packaging. So I think this one is just like an extra surprise. Because the other ones, we get to see what we're going to kind of get. But we just don't know what day we're going to get it. If that makes sense. Number 10. We're in the home stretch. I hope I get another mini item because those are super adorable, I think. Oh! Look how cute it is! And I love the feeling of it. It feels like popcorn, and it feels so soft. It kind of reminds me of my dog. She's named Bella, and she's super fluffy. Kind of looks like a sheep. And this one is just so adorable. And it feels super cool. It's going to be the one I fidget with the most, for sure. We're on to day number 11, and this one's a little tiny slot. And I can't get it. Ugh, it's so tiny. We have a little pumpkin pie or apple pie slice. This is so tiny and so cute. And the little dollop of whipped cream on top is really adorable. I really like the little mini accessories. Because if you want to play with them, now they have food, a camera, an iPhone, and a cupcake. I just said food already, but. So now we're on to the last day. So I'm going to try to guess what we're going to get by the ones on the packaging. And I think it's going to be a bunny because I've seen the bunny everywhere and we haven't gotten a bunny yet. So I think it's going to be a bunny. Let me know what you thought. And it is... Oh my gosh, I'm such a good guesser. It's a bunny. It's super cute. I really love the ears on it, and the tail is really adorable. So we have 4 little mini items, and we got all of these big boys. I really like this advent calendar a lot. I think it's really cute how they included like the little squishy animals and they included accessories. I keep saying that, but I think it's a really cute idea to include both in the set. And I like how they showed some of them on there so you knew what you're gonna get, but you just didn't know what day it was. And I like how they included a little mystery one. So I think that is really cute. Make sure to let me know which one was your favorite and if you would get this for yourself or for somebody for Christmas or for the 12 days of Christmas. I really like Mocheez a lot because I fidget so much, and I just love to squish and squash and squish them because they're just so satisfying too. And I also like to customize them. I customized one of them so far and I thought it was really fun. I made it like have some frosting on its head and a little cherry dollop, but that's really it. But I love collecting them too. I'm just saying everything I love about them. But I think why I really like them a lot is because I fidget and I just love to fidget with them. But sometimes I fidget too much and then they start to get holes in them and then they just mess up and then they start to look like a alien creature thing. Okay guys, so that is it. Make sure you let me know if you like these advent calendar videos because I'll try to do more of them, maybe with some food or candy. They have a lot of sock ones, so maybe you guys want to see me unbox some socks. I don't know what you guys like, but let me know which one you want to let me do, and that did not make any sense. So let me know what advent calendars you guys want me to do and I'll do them for you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time.